Hi, I'm Emily and I'm a knit and crochet designer. I love exploring different yarn crafts like macrame and punch needle, and recently I've become obsessed with Latch Hook. Latch Hook is great for using up your yarn scraps, and it's perfect for experimenting with different colours and textures. It's easy to learn and you only need a few things to get started. Join me as I share everything I've learnt about Latch Hook to help you create your first project.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click the bell icon for future notifications. Once you have completed your latch hook, you will need to secure the edges. Begin by removing the masking tape if you used it. Cut any excess fabric, leaving at least 3 full squares. Now fold over the first side so the empty canvas lies flat on the back of the work. Using a strong thread and a tapestry needle, begin by stitching along the edge. When you get to a corner, cut out any excess fabric and continue down the next side. If you have curves in your project, you will need to cut more notches into your canvas to make it lay flat. Trim the excess. Begin by folding over the first part of the canvas. Stitch into place to where the canvas starts to come away from the line of the work. Then fold a notch. Secure the notch by stitching it into place. Continue creating notches as you work around the edge of your project, making cuts if necessary. To give your work a neat finish, you can bind the edges using the whip stitch. Take a length of yarn in your chosen colour and secure to the edge of your work. Working from the outside in, begin working the whip stitch around the edge of your work. At the end, secure the knot and sew in any ends. Finish off your piece by trimming any longer pieces and tweaking any parts where colours have become mixed.